The roller coaster, which has so far been called Minecart Madness after one of the levels from Donkey Kong Country, will use a patented technology named the Boom Coaster. The design has riders sitting in a minecart-shaped vehicle that appears to run along a regular track, but in actuality glides along a sideways track that's hidden beneath. This design would allow the minecart to appear to jump over gaps in the track. We got a glimpse of this technology being tested off-site a couple years ago.
This is a sandblasting place. That's for a ski lift. And it comes out of that hose at about 200 miles an hour. Blast this super heavy material to clean it off.
So this is the guys playing in the sandblasting material. Kind of crazy. On the right we have a part of a ski lift that has not been sandblasted. On the left has been sandblasted. These are parts that are used to pull airplanes around. This is some big piece of machinery, just crazy big stuff. And here's the guys. 10 youth, 5 adults, and all 15 of us got a tour of this place. It was incredible.
No. I said no.
No, the front was the best part.
I said no.
No, it was good.
That was the first one you guys did or something?
Yes, one of the first. This is Buffalo Bills. This is
Okay.
Desperado.
Oh my goodness gracious.
And this is Brett and Julie Crandall. I tuned their piano. Brett goes by Butch. Amazing people. Such a fun experience.